In the notes it is given as problem number 2, we will take it as 1. You have to check whether this formula E is equal to mc square is correct or not. Step 1, check left hand side. Left hand side is what? Yes, energy. Dimensional formula for energy is below m1 L2 T minus 2. Force into distance or displacement. Step 2, right hand side is mass into C is what? Speed of light. Speed square. Its dimensional formula is m1. Speed dimensional formula is what? L by T square. What you get is m1 L2 T minus 2. Step 3, compare 1 and 2. Step 1 and 2. What do you get? Same formula or different? Same. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. What is the conclusion? The formula is dimensionally correct. Formula is dimensionally correct. 2 minutes with you to pen down. Notes, question number 3. Any formula, any scientist comes out with a new formula, say the formula is E is equal to mc square. We want to check whether it is dimensionally correct or not. Numerically, it may or may not be correct. We will not check in this chapter. Yes, step 1 is what? Left hand side is what? Energy. Dimensional formula for energy is m1 L2 T minus 2. Step 2. Yes, right hand side is equal to mass square of speed m1 L by 2 T square m1 L2 T minus 2. 2 minutes to write. So dimensionally correct है? Then you have to check V is equal to 2 GM by R under root. ये procedure is same. So left hand side is what? बोलो बेटा. Left hand side is velocity or speed. Dimensional formula is m0 L1 t minus 1. Right hand side, power 1 by 2, 2 gm by r. Do we need to write this one? For dimensional analysis, constant is of no use. Whether it is 2 or 3, we don't know. Because we are not to check numerical correctness of the formula. We have to check only dimensional correctness of the formula. So, the challenge is, m is mass, r is radius. What about g? Yes, capital G. So now you need to recall a formula. F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. So G is equal to F into r square over mass square. Dimensional formula for force, m1 L1 t minus 2, distance square by mass square. What you get is mass minus 1 L 3 t minus 2. So in all the questions which we will take up today, generally there are 4 physical quantities or some constant. Out of that, 3 you will know. For example, here mass is known to you, r is known to you. Some challenges for capital G. So it is what? Capital G m minus 1 L 3 t minus 2. This is done. Then mass r, radius is length. What you get is 1 and minus 1, mass 0, L cube by L, L2, t is power minus 2. एक चीज रहेगी सी 1 by 2. Yes, 0 1 by 2 0, L 2 by 2 1, t minus 2 by 2 minus 1. So right hand side is m0 L1 t minus 1. Step 3. Yes, compare 1 and 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this formula is dimensionally correct. Dimensional correctness फिर तो सुन लो. This is a given formula V is equal to 2 gm by r and बाकी लिखना शुरू कर दो. Left side dimensional formula is speed. Speed is what? Length by time. Capital G, formula for capital G किस तरह आएगा? F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. What you need is capital G. Capital G is equal to what? F into r square divided by m square. So when you solve, what you get is m is power minus 1, s power 3, t is power minus 2. So we put this value of G here, not value, dimensional formula. M, as it is mass, distance, radius, length. What we find is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Time with you is 2 minutes more. कर लो complete. That's all. That's what we have to take up today. Theory. Procedure पता लग गया? Procedure is simple. If you have to check accuracy of formula, see the dimensions for left side, see it for the right side. For example, here, in case you change it from 2 to 3, morning वाला separate. In case you change it from 2 to 3, still the formula is dimensionally correct, but that may be numerically wrong. How do you know whether this formula is wrong or right? Chapter number 6. This formula deals with velocity, escape velocity. If you throw the particle up with certain speed, ऊपर चला गया. You throw the particle with some more speed, it will gain further height. And you can throw this particle with the speed that the particle may never come back to earth. That is termed as escape velocity. 11 point something kilometers per second. If you throw a particle with this much speed, the particle will never ever come back. In Mahabharata it is written कि भीम की करता सीगा, हाथी पकड़ता सी, थ्रो करता सी और कदे वापस नहीं आते सी. Is it possible? Answer is yes. If you throw a particle with the speed greater than or equal to escape velocity, particle will never ever come back to earth. But this is to be covered, proved, chapter number 6. ठीक है? We refer to page 1/76. Numerical number 6. Not first part, second part. Yes. Numerical number 6, part 2. You have to prove, not prove, check whether this formula is correct or not. मिल गया क्वेश्चन? First is S nth is equal to U plus A by 2. Second is lambda is equal to H by mv. Got it? मिल गया? किसी ने नहीं मिला तो दोस्तों? Chapter 1D exercise, 1D exercise, 1D exercise. That is why if you have a previous year's book, probably that sequence may be different. Lambda is equal to H by mv. Question is, what is lambda? Lambda is wavelength, correct? Write its dimensional formula. H, that is where the challenge is. M, mass. V, velocity, speed. Write dimensional formula for lambda, M and V. Total parameters, how many total parameters? 4. 3 known, or you can say simple. Wavelength, yes. It is length, L1. Mass is not there, time is not there. Mass, yes. Speed, L1, t minus 1. Now, H here means, it is not given in the question, because I mean it should. Planck's constant. Refer to the table please, 1D. Refer to the table 1D. Table 1D1, Planck's constant. Entry number below please. 38, yes. Planck's constant मिल गया. Planck's constant h is equal to energy divided by frequency. Planck's constant h is energy divided by frequency. Energy dimensional formula is what? m1 L2 T minus 2 divided by frequency. Frequency is equal to what? School च पढ़ के आए. Frequency is equal to 1 by time. So T is power minus 1. So what you get is m1 L2 T minus 1. So in case you get this question in the test, then I will give you the dimensional formula for H, or I will give you the relationship. H is equal to energy by frequency. Got it? Now, take step 1, left hand dimensional formula is what? Then step 2, right dimensional formula for right. Karo try, shabash. Dimensional formula for left hand side. Step 1. Then dimensional formula for right hand side. Yes. What do you say? Same or different? Same. Step 1. Dimensional formula for left hand side. Left hand side is what? Lambda. Its dimensional formula is m0 L1 T0. Step 2. Right hand side is what? H by mv. Its dimensional formula is what? Dimensional formula for H, m1 L2 T minus 1 divided by mass. Velocity is what? Length by time. Yes, mass by mass is what? m0 L2 by L1 is what? L1 T0. Step 3. Compare 1 and 2. Bolo. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this formula is dimensionally correct. Numerical number 6, I don't want to take a first part, you will try at your own. Third part is what? E is equal to numerical is the critical velocity V of flow of a liquid through a pipe of radius r is given by V is equal to, yes, eta by rho r, where rho is what? Density. Where rho is density, r is, yes, yes please, radius, eta coefficient of viscosity. Check whether the relationship is correct or not. Try, 2 minutes. You can refer to the table in case you need any parameter dimensions which is not known to you. You have to check V is equal to eta by rho r, whether it is correct or not. So, we write the formula for V eta rho r. Whenever you come across a problem, identify. V is what? Given in the question, yes please. V is what? Velocity. So, it is L1 t minus 1, mass is not there. Eta, suppose bit difficult, I am getting it for the first time, say as a student. Then I will write it at the end. Rho is density. Density is what? Mass divided by volume. M1 by L minus 3 T0. R, radius of the pipe, is length. Now, eta is what? Coefficient of viscosity. Now, we refer to the table and find coefficient of viscosity eta is what? Table 1D, refer to 44th entry please. Coefficient of viscosity is what? Force into distance divided by area into velocity to be covered in chapter number 7. But dimensional formula is what? M1 L T. So, that means the challenge was somewhere here. M1 L T minus 1. Now, check. Follow the same procedure. Step 1. Yes, left hand side is what? Dimensional formula of velocity is m0 L1 t minus 1. 2 minutes to try the right hand side. Try. Eta by rho r. Try. Procedure is simple. Once you follow the procedure, eta is what? Yes. Eta is what? M1 L minus 1 T minus 1. Density M1 L minus 3 T0. R is what? L1. M is not there, T is not there. Yes. What you get is, bolo, M. M1, this is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. M0. This is L minus 1, minus 3 and 1. Minus 3 and 1. Minus 2. ऊपर लेके जाओगे. Plus 2 minus 1 comes out to what? L1. T. This is 0, this is 0, this is minus 1. Now, left hand side and right hand side. Step 3. Compare 1 and 2. Same or different? So, the formula is dimensionally correct. If the two are same, this formula is dimensionally correct. This was numerical number 9. Now, you try numerical number 8. Numerical is, check by method of dimensions the formula V is equal to 1 by lambda under root K by D. Got it? First write whatever you know about it. Please don't focus on what you don't know. Focus on what you know. You have to check V is equal to 1 by lambda K by D unto t, where V is velocity, lambda is wavelength, K is coefficient of volume elasticity, and D is a density. So write for all V lambda K D. Write dimensional formula of all. First write dimensional formula of those physical quantities which you know. Velocity, yes. Length by time. Lambda, meters, yes, length, L1. Density, D, mass divided by volume, m to the power 1, L to the power minus 3. This is something which is new. So, first write this one, 1, 2, 3. V, yes, length by time. Lambda, length. Density, mass divided by volume. K, yes, K, let us just go through what is written. K is, that's where we are. K is coefficient of volume elasticity. Refer to the table. K is coefficient of elasticity. Check karo. Same. ਤੁਸੀਂ book यार 10 साल पुरानी है ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ कि in this particular question च पढ़ोगे ये बेटा क्वेश्चन च लिखा है देखो ध्यान नाल K is coefficient of volume elasticity लिखा है क्वेश्चन कि नहीं लिखा है पहले बोलो now we refer to the table fine ਉਹਦਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਟੇਬਲ 'ਚ ਬੋਲੋ ਕੋਐਫੀਸ਼ੀਐਂਟ ਆਫ ਇਲਾਸਟਿਸਿਟੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਕੋਐਫੀਸ਼ੀਐਂਟ ਆਫ ਇਲਾਸਟਿਸਿਟੀ entry number 24 coefficient of elasticity stress by strain it is m1 yes m1 L T. His question is suno he says K is also written for radius of gyration. My question is LKG A B C D small. How many alphabets? 26. Capital how many? 26. 26 plus 26, 52. Physical quantity 200 in your syllabus. That means what? Small p also stands for momentum and small p will also stand for electric dipole moment. K also stands for volume elasticity. K also stands for radiation. K also stands for kinetic energy. Getting what I am saying? So listen to what the examiner says. Examiner says where K is coefficient of volume velocity. Now try. Yes. Left hand side. V. Dimensional formula for V comes out to what? L1 T minus 1, mass is not there, M0. Correct? Step 2. One by lambda. Dimensional formula for lambda. Then K by D is power 1 by 2, which comes out to be, yes, 1 by length. K, yes, M1, L minus 1, T minus 2, K divided by D, M1, L minus 3 power 1 by 2 is equal to, correct? Up to this it's fine. 1 by L, mass cancel, or M1 minus 1, M0, L minus 1, L minus 3, L minus 2 shifted to the numerator L2, T is power minus 2, power 1 by 2 means what? 0 by 2 is 0, 2 by 2 1, minus 2 by 2 minus 1. This is length power 1, this is also length power 1. What you get is M0, L0, T minus 1. Step 3, compare. Step 3, compare 1 and 2. Same or different? Different. So left hand side and right hand side are different. So this formula is dimensionally wrong. If a formula is dimensionally wrong, that means it is wrong from all ends. Something is wrong, some expression, maybe d by k, k by d, lambda, whatever that is. Right? Dimensionally wrong means wrong formula. That's the first check. Any scientist will propose a formula, the first check is check the dimensional correctness. Okay? This was numerical number 8. Numerical number 7. Try numerical number 7. Numerical number 7 is check the correctness of the relationship. H is equal to 2 times, this symbol represents what? Surface tension, cos theta divided by r square dg. What is H? Dimensional formula for H, dimensional formula for surface tension, dimensional formula for radius, dimensional formula for density, dimensional formula for acceleration due to gravity g. This is what you need to know. Whatever you know, write it first. What you don't know, then try to find out answer to that part. H, height, R, radius, D, density, G, acceleration due to gravity. 2 minutes. Yes. 2 and cos theta you need not worry about. Why? Numerical values cos theta 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. That means on right side you can say surface tension, radius, density and G. H, yes, follow, L1, R, radius L1, D density, mass over volume, G acceleration due to gravity, L1, T minus 2. Surface tension, yes, force per unit length, yes, force divided by length. You can refer to the table. Entry number check karo please. Check entry number. Yes, 17. Force M1 L1 T minus 2 divided by length. Length cancel. Length by length dimensionless, M0 L0 T0. Cos theta value, yes, cos 60 below, 1 by 2, cos 90, 0, cos 0, 1. So, it is, you can say a constant, right? It is dimensionless. Sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta is dimensionless. Left hand side, step 1. Dimensional formula for H, M0, L1, T0. Step 2, right hand side, yes, surface tension, R square, density, acceleration due to gravity. Surface tension, yes, M1, L0, T minus 2, R's power 2, L's power 2, density, mass over volume, acceleration due to gravity, length by times power 2. Yes, M 0, L, it is L3, sorry, L power 2, L power 1, L power 3, L power minus 3, L power 0. T's power minus 2, this is also minus 2, this is cancelled, what you get is 0. Check.